Hello friend, today we will see how to calculate trigonometry ratio of angle theta. So this is the diagram. With the help of this diagram, we can come to know this is adjacent, this is opposite, and this is hypotenuse. So with reference to the diagram, I have draw one more diagram. In this case, uh, adjacent value is given, opposite value given. We have to calculate hypotenuse. So there are a total 5 formulas. Sin theta is opposite, sin theta is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to opposite divided by adjacent. Cosec theta is hypotenuse divided by opposite. Sec theta is hypotenuse divided by opposite. So in this case I have two parameter, that is adjacent side value and opposite side value. First I have to calculate this hypotenuse value, that is called R or H. So here x is equal to 5, y is equal to 12. I want to search here H or R value. So put these two value in this equation. 5 square plus 12 square. So 5 square is 25, 12 square is 144. So 144 plus 25, that is 4 plus 9, 4 plus 5 is 9, 4 plus 2 is 6, and 1 here. So value is 169. So square root 169 square root is 13. So R is 13. So here we can calculate the theta value. So opposite divided by hypotenuse. Opposite is this side. So opposite 12, hypotenuse is 13. So theta is equal to sine inverse 12 by 13. In second example, we have to calculate value of theta. So here adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So adjacent is 5 and hypotenuse is 13. So theta is equal to cos inverse 5 by 13. In tan theta, opposite side divided by adjacent side. So opposite side is here 12, adjacent is 5, tan inverse for 12 by 5 value. In cosec theta, if I want to calculate theta here, so hypotenuse is 13, opposite is 12, so cosec inverse 13 by 12. Sec theta, that is hypotenuse divided by opposite. So hypotenuse is here in this case 13. So 13 divided by opposite. 13 divided by opposite is 12. So sec inverse 13 by 12. So with the help of these three value, I have calculated the theta value. So this is the example how to calculate trigonometric ratio of angle theta. So if you have any problem related with this example or similar example, you can write it in comment section. I will definitely try to solve it. I have also shared my email ID in description section. You can write your problem in mail also. I will definitely try to solve it. And at last, requesting you to subscribe my channel. Thank you for seeing.